So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fade out a video to black here in iMovie. So as of right now, as you can tell, I actually just have a white background playing as my video. So pretty straightforward, just a 6-second clip of a white background. Now, once this video ends, I'll show you guys right now. Once the video ends, the video just ends. There's no fading to black or anything like that. So if you wanted to add that fade to black, it's super straightforward. Go to the bottom right and press on the gear looking icon. Press on that right there. Now where it says project settings, there's project filter, there's theme soundtrack, fade in from black, we don't want that, but where it says fade out from black, go ahead and make sure that is checked, then press on done. So if you were to play the video again, I'll play the last couple seconds. The last little bit should be fading it to a black screen just like that. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can fade out a video to a black screen or to black here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.